Oh, this just came in for Moe's. What is it? What is it? Oh, look at these bad Larrys. Carven 5-inch black exhaust tips. These are nice. Whew. Nice. These are beautiful. It's like an engraving. Nice. These are sweet. Nice straight edge, no road lip. Nice. Alright, here are the new Carven tips from Moe's. 5-inch.
Raven?
Dude, you like Raven?
No, you said you
We took off the took off the old rolled edge ones.
Give me those. What are these? Straight tip? Straight edge. Oh, these are some nice Cravens.
Carvens.
I thought you called them
slap them
Cravens.
back in.
Oh, these are nice, dude.
You think they'll make a difference in sound?
No, but they're gonna look better, bro.
Oh, those look sick.
Hold it!
Those look nice.
They look sick.
These
Sick,
nice.
nasty, bro.
They bolt right up. Stock flange. We removed the resonators a couple weeks ago.
We got shit on for it, but we don't care. Because,
Did we? Did we, Roji?
Ow!
Did we? Oh, we got boo-boo. Roji got boo-boo.
I'm gonna fucking...
Oh, do you want to get personal? Huh?
Dude, you can't say that, dude. Dude, don't
You
say
can't
that.
say
Yo, you wouldn't post that, would you?
That looks awesome.
Dude, you can't post that.
I will. I'll edit it out. I promise.
Fucking retard.
I'll edit it out. Honestly, I don't care if people can see the word. Dude, don't strip the bolt.
Shut up. That's perfect.
That looks nice.
Yeah, dude. Shh. She got here after it was 4.
These things are nice. Those are badass. Again, we cut the resonators a few weeks ago to have the tips be flush with the bumper. And these things are about 3/8 of an inch back than the ones I had. And it looks even more sick. It's badass. What's up, Roji? Roji! Santa Claus doesn't like you. No presents for Roji.
Yeah, some guy over
No presents for Roji.
Why didn't you go with these Carvens in the first place? They're way nicer. Alright, bro, is this where you want these?
Why you asking me, bro? You're the mechanic. I came down 3 hours to see your punk white ass.
Sound good?
Up a little bit. Right there.
Right there?
Down a CH.
Oh my god.
Right there.
Right there?
Send it! Oh.
Huh?
Oh. Alright, Mark's gonna start her up. Let's hear those Carvens.
Mike,
Yo!
well, first of all, give me the fucking key fob.
Oh, you wanna...
Just fuck the
You, oh, you
video
want the
up.
key fob? Here you go, buddy. Come on, come and get it. Oh!
Key fob, dude.
Kids fishing for bass, bro. Hammer it! Woo! That sounds good. Dude! I didn't tell you to do a break stance. Oh my god. This kid is out of control. Do you see what I have to deal with? You have any idea what I have to deal with?
What do you mean, bro? You told me to do a
Oh
burn.
yeah, do a burnout.
What's up?
Oh yeah.
You,
I'm gonna take your truck and do donuts in front of City
dude,
Hall.
you said let it rip. You
Oh,
said,
yeah, let it rip.
You said
Dude, now I can't breathe. It's like rubber.
fire alarm's
My
gonna
wife's
go
gonna go.
off. Lovely.
Oh, where you been all night, Mike? I bet the track because it smells like rubber.
Dude, look at the fire alarm's about to go off.
This place is filled with smoke.
You want these?
Listen,
tips?
guys, Carven tips, they are badass. Thank you to Matt Fickack from Moe's.
And I'm pretty
Carven
badass
tips.
too. Tips, bro.
Yeah. Anybody wants some used rusty tips?
Pay for the shipping and they're yours.
All right, guys. Till next time. Peace.
Yeah, here.
Peace.
Give these.
Peace out.
Peace.
Peace. It does look mean with the slow down in the shop.